Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share you one good tip for cough. If adults also having cough, also they can also use this thing. For child is very good. I am giving regular, whenever my children are having cough, I am giving this thing. Here I am having mulethi. In Urdu it was called as mithi lakdi. Okay, and English is a licorice. You will get the powder also. You will get in stick form also. So I will take out all this thing from this mulethi like this. This is good for cough. It will remove all the cough. You have to give morning one time and evening night one time, like 20 ml, 10 to 20 ml. That's enough. See guys, I have taken out. Not much, just little. Okay, I have to take it out like this. Here I have taken 3 sticks of mulethi. You can take as much as you want. As of now, my one child is cough, so I have only 3 sticks are here. I am going to add only 3 sticks. This is good for health also. Usually it was using for face, it was using in face packs also. It is very good thing. And then the second ingredient I am here having is raisins. Here I am having seedless raisins. I will add 10 raisins in it. Here I am having 10 raisins. I will add in it. Here I am adding 1 big glass of water. You can see my glass is very big. According to you, 2 glass of water. Okay. I will leave it this thing as it is for half an hour. Then for 2 glass you have to boil it, and it should become it should be 1 glass. And from that you have to give only 20 ml for your kids. Okay. My child is 2.5 years. For her I am giving 20 ml. For my big child, he is 10 years, I am giving him like a small like 40 ml, like that, 40 to 50 ml. If you leave the sticks and raisins in water for more time, you will get best result. Minimum I have given half an hour. You can leave it for 1 to 2 hours also, and then you can boil. And you can see guys, within 2 to 3 days your child will be perfectly okay. Her chest will be clear. 100% guarantee. This is regularly I am giving to my children. This is my own tip. You can try at home. Kindly like and share. Kindly subscribe my channel. Until it was okay, I am leaving this as it is. Until that, like and share my channel. See guys, you can see the water color is getting changed. It is becoming yellow color. So now I will keep it on gas. Let it boil, and it will be. I will get only half 1 glass. I have given 1 glass of water. I will get half glass of water. From that I will give it to you. I will show you how it will. See guys, my question guys. It is easiest way to give, and it is good, and it will cure very fastly, and they have it having more and more benefits. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.